Hello everybody, I'm David from Eden Motorgroup, and behind me is the new Corsa-E. The Vauxhall Corsa has been with us for nearly 29 years, so let's check out the latest iteration. So what about the specification? Well, the standard car, which is the SE, comes with a 7-inch colour touchscreen display, sat-nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You get Vauxhall Connect as standard, so you can control various aspects through your smartphone. You get a digital gauge cluster, same as the one that can be found on this car. Don't forget climate control and cruise control, LED lights with high beam assist. All of this is completely standard. You also get rear sensors, lane departure warning, and smart city braking systems as well. Now, I, many years ago, had a Vauxhall Corsa, 1999 model, 1 litre 5-door. And that car wasn't entry level and still didn't come with things like air conditioning, let alone things like climate control and sat-nav and cruise control, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay didn't even exist back then. But this standard car has all of those things. Brilliant. I do have to say, it is a really fun little car to drive. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. I've done a lot of driving in this one. I'm about to go past a petrol station, and that's the one thing I love about driving and owning electric cars, is I never have to go to petrol stations anymore. It's very quiet in here as well. The only thing that's rattling around is my bag full of camera equipment in the back, and that's about it. And then we come to the SRI in the spec list. This will add some sportier wheels and nicer seats as well. You get alloy style pedals and rear tinted windows. And from the outside, you get some black roof garnish as well as some black trims as well. And then at the current time of recording, you also can get your hands on a special edition called the Griffin. The Griffin series from Vauxhall has had some of the best marketing I've ever seen.
What comes as standard?
They're standard.
Alloy wheels?
We can add those.
Heated seats?
With the cold weather pack only.
A 7-inch touchscreen as standard.
The Corsa Griffin comes with a whole host of extras as standard.
Vauxhall Corsa Griffin. All Griffin, no bull.
And true to the original marketing, this Griffin comes packed with stuff. In addition to the SE, you get heated seats and a heated steering wheel, a panoramic rear view camera, front LED fog lights, rear tinted windows and black exterior garnish, which seems like an absolutely incredible deal. Quite a few limited edition cars only have a few little extra bits of limited edition goodness to them, but the Griffin does it right. And then we come to what I'm driving today. This is the Elite. And Elite it most certainly is. Over the SE, you have quite a bit of the stuff that comes from the Griffin, like the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. But you also get this rather nice leather cloth combo mixture for those sporty seats. You get a 10-inch touchscreen display rather than the usual 7-inch. You get matrix adapting headlights, which are just gorgeous, and LED rear lights as well. You also get front and rear sensors, and the camera makes a return. So I think it's probably time that we moved over to the batteries, because of course the car has to run on something. So in terms of the battery itself, you get what comes as standard with the Corsa-E, which is great news. It means you get a 50 kilowatt hour battery and you get that beautiful motor as well. This means that in your Corsa-E, which costs in and around or even less than £30,000, you can go over 200 miles on a single charge for a car around about or less than 30 grand. Brilliant! The Corsa is also equipped for 100-watt charging, which means that you can go from 15 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Awesome! And on a standard 50 kilowatt hour charger, that's still only 45 minutes. That's going to get you about 150 miles worth of range. And in addition to all of that, it also has a rather beefy 136 PS motor, which makes the drive awesome. Speaking of the drive, let's move on over and do a little virtual test drive and go to one of my favourite roads around Somerset. So, welcome to the virtual test drive of the Corsa-E. Now, we're in the top of the range version. Now, the first thing that's really interesting about this car is that you get the same electric motors and battery capacity as you do in the Corsa, which means you get a little bit more range, 209 miles on average. And the car is a lot more sprightly as well. Now, what that means is when I put my foot down on the floor, it feels a lot faster than it should do because, of course, it's a small car. It's a small hatchback. But it's got a very, very nice electric motor and a very nice battery capacity as well. So when I put my foot down, we do gain quite quickly, and you got to be a little bit careful. You don't want to be straying over any speed limits. Now, I'm coming to a very special place for the drive today. So we're heading to a place in Somerset called Seven Bends. Now, Seven Bends has got 8 bends. But doesn't quite have the same ring to it, I guess. Seven Bends has got 8 bends of varying variety. It's a favourite among bikers and sports car enthusiasts. But because this is a little car with a little powerful motor as well, I wanted to have a go on some corners and see how the car really handles. Steering wheel, you've got this flat bottom steering wheel down here, which makes it feel really sporty. And if you have a model with heated steering wheel, the heated steering wheel is all the way around, which I love. So it doesn't matter where I hold, I've got heat. It's really rather pleasant. Being the top range car, of course, this has everything. So you've got like the blind spot monitoring over here, and you've got the sportier seats with the leather on the outside. The car's got regen braking as well. So as we brake, we're charging the batteries, which is nice. Very nice indeed. Overall visibility in the car is really quite excellent. You've got a nice large windscreen in front of us and these large windows here, and looking over my shoulder I can see absolutely everything out of the rear view window. I can see the little Fiesta behind me coming up. Okay, so Seven Bends, that is 8, is just in front of us, as well as what looks to be a heron over there. That's a heron. How insane is that? I'm not even kidding. That is a heron. So anyway, let's flick on over into sport mode, which is down here, and give this thing a go. So the driving feel of this car is absolutely phenomenal. Here's the first bend, there's 1, there's 2. You never feel like you're being pulled out of line, which normally in an electric car you do sometimes feel because of the weight that the batteries and bits and pieces add. But as you can see, under braking and going around these corners, the car feels alive. It feels brilliant. Absolutely and utterly brilliant. All my equipment rattling around in the car. Oh dear. It was worth it though. Definitely worth breaking many of my equipments to enjoy the drive of this thing. Oh, look at it. Oh, you put your foot on it as you come out of the corner. You get that instant feel of the electric motor and the batteries that are combined together, it is absolutely phenomenal. There's no other word to describe it. It is phenomenal. So if you want to find out more about the Vauxhall Corsa-E, all you have to do is give us a ring on the number on screen right now, and you can arrange your very own test drive or send us an email. Thank you very much for watching.
One last thing. When you purchase your brand new electric vehicle from Eden Motor Group, make sure to quote Eden EV1 at the point of purchase, and you can have your first service on us. Offer ends 1st of April 2022. Thank you very much for watching.